Hey everyone, I'm Lauren Gerritsen. I'm a nutritional therapy practitioner and I share a head start for your healing journey. Today I'm going to show you how to make paleo carrot cake cupcakes. So I developed this recipe for my birthday celebration a few months ago and they were such a hit, even with the people at the party who ate gluten. I have to tell you, full disclosure, that was like 2 people because most of my friends are yoga teachers and health nerds and nutritional therapy practitioners, and my family's mostly gluten-free as well. But there were 2 people who normally ate gluten and said these cupcakes rivaled normal gluten-filled cupcakes. So let's get started with the recipe.